Okay.
So we are live now. So let me. Okay, hi guys. This is Yes People Tainment Swati. It's already 7 p.m. Sunday evening, nice evening, correct? Although people who are in Delhi, northern parts of Delhi, it's super hot. How are you guys doing in down south? I'm not sure. Today is gonna be another exciting day because the person already blew my mind with his attitude, with his thinking power, with his thinking process. Um, he's gonna hear and talk to us. People who are studying, thinking of starting a business, thinking of making a money, stop thinking, start listening to him, and then it will help you to do something in 2020 time. Okay. Let me wait for people to join in. I think they are already with me in the live. So okay, so guys, keep joining me. Let's not waste any further time. Let me talk about this person. Okay, he's a 2K kids. He's younger to me, younger to all of us, most of my audience. He's an younger person. He is a gym enthusiastic. He's been following gym. He's doing multiple exercises. He was just 54 kg before 6 months. Now, with the discipline, with the following of gym, he's now 74 kg. He has transformed himself physically. Okay, he has working on that. And if I talk about his educational background, he is a dropout. Can you imagine? He's a dropout engineering, mechanical engineering guy. 2017 he enrolled inside the college, and 2020 he decided to drop out. And he since October 2019 he's already pursuing his entrepreneurship journey, and he is making money. Okay, if I talk about him making money um, in 4 figures, not in INR, in 4 figures in USD, US dollars. Monthly, he's making 4 figures USD. When I was his age, कुछ पता ही नहीं था. Like job जाना है, पैसा कमाना है. That's all. I had a dream of going to a job, just making money from that job. But he is a 2K kids going further. Same as his age, guys or boys and girls, they are doing PUBG, makeup, watching Netflix. But this guy dropped out, started a business. He's making money already in 4 figures in US dollars. Can you imagine? And he has a thought process of he has to talk about lot about educational system, whether educational system is helping us to make money or not, why job is not working for him. So a lot of things he is going to talk about. So please stay tuned till this video. Okay, please stay tuned till this video so that you will take away from this something. Okay, so let me welcome. He's basically from Bhopal, very small town, not like his fancy city like Delhi or Bombay or Bangalore or Chennai to achieve something. Okay, small towns, small cities, or small town guys and girls, you can learn from him how to make money in dollars. Okay, so without further ado, let me welcome him to my show, S People Tainment. Thank you, Indra Kumar. Welcome to our show. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks, Swati, for this mind blowing introduction. I really love that.
That's my specialty. Yeah. So, Indra Kumar, we've been talking since last 4 5 days, getting to know more about you. I've been in such an impression why I didn't do this in your age when I was in your age. So for our audience, many of our us watching here live with us. They might have the same thought process, same issues. I think listening to you will help them to take first step towards their entrepreneurship journey. Okay, so are you ready to have an interaction today? How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling super excited. I would love to share my ideas and experience to all of you.
Okay, that's great. So you are dropout 2020 January. I didn't know this today only. You told me this. It's a guys disclaimer. It's not everybody can drop out and make money. Okay, सीधा जाके drop out मत करना. उसके लिए दम बम में दम होनी चाहिए. Watch him, learn from him. Of course. You can learn from him your side hustle while studying, while working. This is a disclaimer I want to do. Next is you 2017 enrolled in a mechanical engineering in Bhopal, and then what happened? How you decided to drop out?
So when I first enrolled in my college, Mani Bhopal, with mechanical as a stream, I was really excited to get to know all of these people and what's happening, and I was really curious about entrepreneurship since the beginning. So when I started my college journey, I was like within first 3 months, I realized that I am doing nothing but going in from my hostel room to the classroom, and it's like classroom, classroom, classroom. It's like a unbreakable repeated cycle that's going on, and you are learning nothing but just um, chewing down all the information and then writing all this information into the piece of paper that decides your grades and all. So at the end of the day, you are not learning anything skillful, and that will help you generate revenue for yourself. So that's completely bullshit. Like in real life, you are not learning anything that is going to make revenue. uh, Tell me, like, what are the things that you learned in the 4 years that someone can pay you 10,000 INR for just 1 hour?
Okay. In college, honestly, I did computer science, but I have never worked with computers related programming. I have always worked with finance. My experiences, my due course experiences helped me to make money. That's for sure. Definitely, college didn't help me. College helped me in a certain level of my communication, getting to know people,
Yeah,
making connections. But college is nothing to do with how much money you can make. I think I can relate with you now.
correct. And college and making money and getting successful doesn't mean you must be highly qualified or highly knowledgeable or more genius than anyone else. You don't need to be smart or anything like that. You just need to be persistent and consistent with the process. Just follow the process and you will get the result.
Okay,
That's
so
it.
you dropped out in 2020, but you already started in your entrepreneurship journey, your startup in 2019 October. So before starting your company, did you any go for a courses or any? Did you make any? Did you prepare yourself? Um, tell us about that.
Yeah, like in the year 2018, on my second year of my college, I decided I was following Harsh Agarwal. He's the blogger, number one blogger of India, because he generates a lot of revenue from his blogs, Short Me Loud. So I was following him since a long time. So I thought, like, I can also make money out of writing articles. So what I did is I started my own blog. It's called Techie Search. So it was a technological blog, right? Like writing about blogs on technological stuff, writing about mobile phones and all of the features and everything. So I started like this as a blogger, and have written articles ranging from 300 words to over 3000 words on my own. And I have done all of the SEO stuff and designing, website designing, and all of this stuff. So
Okay.
I started with this techie search blog, and then I was enrolled in the coaching program of Jason Capital, who's my mentor. And from there, I learned how to generate real money from Instagram itself.
Okay. So before you go and jump into your entrepreneurship, you had some experience with blogging, how internet works, how digital services work, and then you take a real course which helped you to make money now, which was 6 months course, how Instagrams work, right? So then you started
Correct.
your own company now, and yeah, long way to go, but you have already started and pursuing. And more important thing is you have clients from global and local as well, and you're making money in dollars. How was the
Yep.
experience? When was the first time you made money, and how was it? How you felt?
Like it started from December 2019, and it was a really uh, unbelievable experience for me. Like someone like me making money in US dollars.
Okay, so you were at that time 19 years old?
Uh, no, 21.
Oh, you are 21. Okay,
Now,
so now,
yeah, now I turned
so
22 in April 10th.
April 10th, 22, and 21, you made already money in dollars. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fascinating. Okay, so to achieve this, I've been into business, I've been into a job. To achieve something in terms of monetary, it's not easy. It's not easy to make some money, but you have made some preparations, you have worked, your self discipline. Can you talk about that, like what is your routine? Because at the age of 21, people love to watch movies, people love to travel, people love to roam, even after dropping out from the college. What is your everyday routine? What do you do since you woke up till you go to bed?
So since the past few years, I was reading a lot of books, like where I learned about those successful people who are really successful people in terms of health, wealth, and relationship. So what I found is they have some things in common, and that is called routine. They are following consistently that routine for over a year, and that's how they are getting more successful and making more money and all. So what I decided to do is I started with making my own routine, following these people. So at first, I started with writing 5 things that I am grateful for, and you can write this on a consistent basis during night time. And I started with affirmations. That works really great for me and for all the ones who are really successful people. So I start my day with affirmations after waking up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I start with my affirmations, then I go with works, clientele work that goes from 6 to 6 or maybe 7 a.m. to over 10 to 11 a.m. And then I go with my learning curve. I start reading books or videos, educational videos that will help add my value to my life and to my career, entrepreneurial career. And then I start with working on a clientele projects. So it goes like it's like an endless curve.
Okay, so you wake up 5 a.m. every day.
Yep, it's like I'm not I'm not waking up at 5 a.m. since past 2 years. I'm waking up at 5 a.m. Since beginning. Like, yeah, I am an early bird.
Okay, you're
Yeah,
an early bird. Okay, that helped you to
yeah,
make your routine more successful.
yeah,
Okay, so
correct.
guys, people whoever watching this, he at the age of 21, he writes an affirmation every day or every night. He has that routine, and he wake up 5 a.m. He has a learning curve time, which means he learn during that time, which makes him successful, like which helps him to make money. Learning curve time, you go and introspect with you, आपके पास कोई लर्निंग का कर्व है कि नहीं. अगर आपके पास पैसा कमाने का इज्जत तो सबको है, सबके पास है. Everybody wants to make money, but are we following his routine? Are we, he is following successful people, and today he is already climbing the ladder, right? So I think we all need to follow the basic routine, which will make us successful within 1 year point of time. Correct, Indra Kumar?
Correct. You must have
Okay.
a routine that will eventually lead you to a successful person. And it's not about routine. It's more about mindset. You must have a positive mindset and an abundance mindset. A lot of people don't have that abundance mindset, and that way they are going to lose in the long run. A lot of people work like they are going to get results in the 30 days, like their 9 to 5 job.
There is no
This
30
is
days,
not a short term
31
job.
days result.
This is not a short
Okay.
term job. This is a full time job. I tell you what.
Okay. So this is like, for me also, it's learning. Like, I always follow the 90 days routine as my mentor taught me once, and my even meditation practices like 90 days routine is very important. So when you practice 90 days something, then it will become your routine that will help you to take
Habits.
to the 1 year, and 1 year will help you to take you to the next level. It become like a brushing a teeth. It will become like a habit. So
Yep.
yes, absolutely stunning. And I want to talk about back to dropping out. So dropping out. What is your point of view on education system in India? Is this helping? Or I think during this pandemic, I need to address this. During this pandemic, educational system in the world has changed. Online courses, online classes are going on for the children, but what is the future of our educational system? Will it help us to make money? At the end of the day, we have to make money. Will this educational system help us?
Well, if you are going to become efficient engineer or maybe doctor or maybe attorneys or law firms, then you must go through these college education. But if you are not going to become efficient engineer or doctor or law attorneys or anything like that, then you don't need any degree to make money. You don't need any
Okay,
qualification to make money. You just need one skill.
one skill. You need.
Yep,
I need to work on myself on one skill, which is very
yep,
okay with
correct.
me. Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
so nowadays I've been interacting with a few entrepreneurs around the world, India. Their hiring method has been changed. Even Google, Elon Musk said, I don't need a degree. Google is hiring even a children who has ability to program. And local businesses, local entrepreneurs also started. Few of my friends who are entrepreneurs already started hiring people without even a college degree, without experiences. I think when you become a millionaire, I think you will do the same thing. You will hire all dropouts in your organization, I
correct.
guess. Okay.
Even
So come on.
even even the co-founder of PayPal, even the co-founder of PayPal organizes. He coaches people who are dropout, who have no degree. He coaches people who have no degree to start their startup, and he coached the I don't know remember his name, but he's the co-founder of PayPal. and he coached um, Ritesh Agarwal, the OYO founder.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Ritesh got some background education about entrepreneurship. That's why he's super powerful. I think recently he resigned as a CEO of Oyo. So that's different thing. I want to talk about more about you. One day I will interview Ritesh Agarwal as well. Working towards that with the discipline. Okay. So we spoke about your dropout. We spoke about how you prepare yourself before starting something. And before going to the next question, I want to thank the people who commented here. Tyler, thank you so much. He's from, last time I wrongly pronounced his city. I think he's from DC. Thank you so much for joining me, always supporting me. And Dharma Singh, thank you so much for commenting. And guys, if you have any questions you want to ask him, please comment so that I will be able to ask your questions to him. Okay, so let's come to your services. What are the services you provide? Obviously you're making money, so you are must be providing something. So what are the services you're providing to your clients?
so I provide like branding and sales by scaling their business through branding. Branding is really important, and right now Instagram is the hottest platform on. If we talk about social medias, across all the social media, Instagram is the hottest platform right now. It's got
Okay.
over 4 billion people on this platform, and over 1 billion people go online actively on Instagram. So you can just get an idea that how much more businesses are going to go online on Instagram itself, and
Instagram
how
itself.
they are going to, yeah, how they are going to scale their business. And so you can just help them brand on Instagram and help them make money, and so you can get more money. If you can help
Okay.
them make money, you can going to get make money on yourself.
Okay, so this is what you are doing. So you're helping people to list out in Instagram where they make money. So they make money, so they pay you also. Correct?
Yep, correct.
Okay. Okay. So can you give us one example of your services which made you money? Because I want to give the audiences a little bit idea, because there are a lot of ideas in this world to start a business. Maybe somebody get a click from you and they will start learning from that. That will be their 0 point to reach to 100. So can you provide one of your experiences with your clients? Can you share?
Yep. So one of my client who is the owner of the luxury brand, international luxury brand, I was working with him on his Instagram. So what I did is he has some sales issue. He is not able to monetize his audience. So what we do is we brand themselves over Instagram. See, the meaning of branding is, in one word, I would like to say that branding is something that brings people to you. So you got the attention, then you are going to get the right kind of. You just need the right kind of attention. Then you need to filter out the buyers who is actually going to buy from you. So what we do here is we strategize stories. Instagram stories is the hottest thing on Instagram. Everybody loves to watch Instagram stories. Now, most of the people here will share their stories like um, going to cafe or restaurants, eating with friends, hanging out. Well, that's not we what we do. What we do here is we strategize everything from Instagram stories, like what kind of post to do, and we strategize all of the things on feeds as well, like what kind of feed to post on Instagram that actually converts, that when someone enters into X profile, he is going to follow you, tap on the follow button, or either he is going to convert. like he is going to buy from you. So this is what we do, and we take care of everything like captions, what kind of captions to write, and most importantly, most of the conversions happen in conversations. So we are expert at conversations. Like we make most of the sales in the Instagram DMs, which most people utilize as basic messenger, but we make money on DMs.
Wow. Okay. 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 So we talk about your Instagram skill. This is how you started, and this is how you help other businesses to make money. That's how you make money. So my next question is, this global pandemic is going on, right? It's very convenient to do business in the digital platform, in the digital media, which we've been talking a lot. Last week I interviewed a digital marketing entrepreneur, Mr. Prashant. So I asked him the same question. So I want to know your point of view, how a business can survive in this pandemic. I'm not talking about only people who has international branding listed in the Instagram. I'm talking about my grocery, mera gali wala grocery, how he will survive. I'm talking about my farmer, how he has to improve himself, how he gonna survive. So do you have any vision on this? Because we have to help local businesses to grow so that we can improve our economy. And I think you guys, digital marketers, digital people like you, has to think. So what is your suggestion?
Nice question. Actually, what a farmer can do right now is reach out to local people who are actually ready to buy. Like you are not going to make sabji mandi at at bigger markets. So what you can do is tie up with online people, like someone who is selling potatoes or onions, basic stuff, so basic vegetables. So what he can do is he can reach out to local shop which is open, like the
He
grocery
should deal
shop,
with he should deal with the local groceries directly. This
grocery
is what
shops,
you're.
and yeah, so they can tie
And
up with
that.
these people, and that way they can sell their vegetables, and people are going to buy. People are going to buy it because they need it.
Yes. So that digital, global, local grocery store should be digitalized, and that's where your contribution comes in. Correct?
Yep. Actually,
Okay.
Geo is also doing this kind of marketing. I mean, this kind of um, sales. Like recently, Geo is going to start Geo Mart, which is which is going to he partnered up with Facebook, and what he's going to do is he is going to list out all of the grocery stuff and everything on WhatsApp itself. So local people can do WhatsApp and buy their product, register themselves over there, and it's like uh, it's like ordering a food online. So they are going to get groceries and vegetables and everything house, very convenient rate. So
Okay.
this
So
is
I
like
think
win-win
today
for both WhatsApp and Facebook. WhatsApp and Geo.
WhatsApp and Geo. Okay. So I think
Yeah,
this is
I
today's
mean,
trending, I guess. Okay. So I want to
yeah.
acknowledge people who are commenting and supporting us. Deepak Gupta has said nice. And Mohit Gupta also said inspirational. Thank you so much, Mohit Gupta. You've been inspiration for me as well. Next, a person who has written so long, we know that we have a skill, but it doesn't just pop up all of a sudden. Let me put it in the screen. We know that we have a skill, but it doesn't just pop up at all of a sudden. We have a lot of confusion due to financial background and lack of experience. So I want to know in what way he keep himself and ambitious in that situation. I think you are the right person to answer this. So he's
Hey,
asking financial background, confusions.
yeah. Hey, your name is Bajengam. I'm sorry if I
Roy,
mispronounced it. Okay. So,
Mr. Roy.
Mr. Roy, what
Yeah.
you can do is, I think you are just like me. I was just like you in past 2 years. So what you can do is read books like Think and Grow Rich, and what I have read so far is what I'm going to suggest you. Read books like Think and Grow Rich, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, The Billionaire's Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. Great book, but it's very lengthy. You will learn a lot about money, how money flows, how money works. So it will going to demolish all your confusions. It happens with a newbie. That's fine. That's totally fine. And thanks that you asked this question.
It's a
Everybody
very
is
good
going to get
question.
clear. Yep,
Yeah,
correct. Everybody's
very
got
good question which
misconception
everybody
here.
has. Yes.
You
Okay,
must
thank you,
start with
Mr. Roy.
reading books.
Always it's reading books, always reading good books.
Correct.
Underline the word books.
Correct.
Very, very important books for you. You don't have to read all the books. I think when you started, you didn't read all the books, which is there are talks a lot about, but read necessary books whichever business you want to start, whatever stream you want to pursue. I think you
Yeah.
can read all the books, and I think, Mr. Roy, you have noted down what Indra Kumar suggested few books. I think you have already noted down. All the best. One day I will look forward to interview also. Okay, so my next question is, yeah, you're good in closings, right? That's how you make money. When you close a deal,
Yep.
that's how you make money. So what is closing, and how you convince your clients to do business with you? Because you're so young, you just starting up, and when you started nobody recognized you, but still how you convince your clients to do business with you, to trust you.
Yeah. Okay. Let me give you an example here. What is closing?
Okay.
Remember a 7-year-old kid when he
Linda.
when he asked for something like toy from his parents. He says like, "Remember, Dad, what you just said to me? I want that kid. I want that toy from you. You said you are going to buy. You said you are going to buy for me on Saturday. Yeah, am I right?" So,
Yeah.
so what parents will say? Okay, what's what was that toy? So a kid will say like, you 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 told me that day that you are going to buy me a toy on Saturday. Now it's your turn. It's Saturday. Let's go get a toy. So a parent will say, no, no, I can't do this. And now a 7-year-old kid will be like a stubborn. He will go out of his way. He will drag his parents to get that toy, and he closes his own parents to get that toy. Okay, so
Yes.
you got an idea like what closing is?
Yes. 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 We have to be in a kid's stubborn.
Yeah,
चाहिए तो चाहिए, right? That is what
yeah,
all about closing.
and
So, but can you give us a real time example, like how you convinced your clients to, you know, to trust you?
okay. So basically, for the client, to buy from you or uh, get enrolled into your services, they must know you, they must like you, and they must trust you. These are the KLT formula that works like a fortune. So
They
you
must
must,
know you. They
they must know
must
you, they must like you, and they must trust
like
you.
you and then trust you.
KLT.
Okay.
And then they are going to buy from you. Every sale
Okay.
happens with this simple formula. They must know you,
Okay.
they must like you, and they must trust you in a very subconscious level. You are not
Subconscious
going to
level.
say like, yeah, you are not going to say like, yeah, I'm a trusted guy, you buy from me. It doesn't happen, but it happens at a subconscious level. Like
Okay.
it happens like the way you talk, the tonality, and the body language, how you behave in front of these people, whether you are not in front of them but you are in the call. So you must say something that evokes their emotions.
Okay.
Like you must ask intelligent question, like not intelligent, the smart questions, and let them do the talking.
Okay.
So
So you
at the
just
end of the
ask
day,
questions.
yep, correct. I just ask good questions, and I get the sale.
Okay. So we that will be a different topic. I think you must do webinar on that. Many people would love to join. I would love to join because a lot of pipelines are going on with my friends. Definitely, I would know more about how to convince my clients to know me, like me, and trust me. Okay.
Correct.
So that's an absolutely fantastic answer. आप तो छोटा धमाका छोटा है but धमाका तो बहुत बड़ा है. I don't know where you all these days. It's good to know you and good to learn from you. Absolutely, it's been pleasure. So yeah, we talk about closing and everything, and you said branding is very important. Tell me,
Correct.
if I start a business within 2 years of my time in my entrepreneurship career, how will I brand myself? Say, example, I want to open a meditation online meditation courses, online meditation, cult. I want to build a cult of meditation with my brand name called Yes People Tainment. So how should I do that? How should I brand myself?
Well, let me tell you this. Uh, Facebook is not the hottest. Facebook is not the hottest, but Facebook consists of all the people that you are looking for in terms of meditation. And for meditation, these products are being sold, or there are services or coaching being sold on Pinterest as well, because Pinterest consists of almost like 70 to 80% of the females. So it's better to target Pinterest and Facebook as well, because these are the people they are who are interested in the meditation stuff. Because for meditation they need
Many people
like
don't know. Many people don't know. Sorry to interrupt you. Many people don't know what is Pinterest. Can you just a line about Pinterest?
oh, okay. Pinterest is a social media platform like Instagram. So what Pinterest is actually, you can share photo as well as attach your link and a little bit of headline and caption, which is called
For your
description.
for your
Yeah.
businesses.
So yeah, sure. So what it does is people likes to swipe left and right all of the through all of the social media. So what Pinterest did is, it's just a picture platform where you can share, upload unlimited pictures, and you can attach your link that will that whenever someone clicks on your picture, they are going to direct it to your landing page,
Okay,
where you are going
understood.
to inform about your product or services, whatever you are offering. So what I'm why I'm suggesting Pinterest is, why Pinterest consists of your targeted audience. Your target audience
Okay.
must be like from 18 to maybe 50, 55 years old. So Pinterest consists of these people. and Facebook as
Oh,
well. You can generate revenue from Facebook groups. Facebook groups can generate six figures of revenue for you.
okay.
See, only Facebook itself, Facebook groups, by following the
Okay.
right strategy.
Following the right strategy. Okay. So I can
Correct.
brand myself with Pinterest, Facebook, and then Instagram digitally. So that I'll be able to reach gradually, I'll be able to reach organically, I'll be able to reach the pinnacle.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So well said. I think people does guys. If you have any questions, please write it in the comment. So there are a lot of interesting things. There are lot of interesting stuff we are discussing. So thank you, Yogesh Kumar. Thank you joining us. So many people, if you have any questions, please comment. Don't be shy. We are just normal people, but he is some extraordinary. Don't miss him. Once you miss him right now, you will not be able to catch up with him. Maybe you have to attend his seminar on an appointment. Okay, so
Correct.
let's that's true. I think I'm looking forward. I want to maintain business. I want to maintain a friendship with you. Like, I want to see your growth. I'm excited to see your growth, where you will stand within next 2 years, where you will go within 3 to 4 years. I'm super excited for you, for your acquaintance, Indra Kumar. I'm looking forward for that. Let's see. So yeah,
Yeah, guys.
the Okay. So, Mr. Roy has asked you questions and you answered. You mentioned few books, right? Can you talk about the books you have read? How it changed your life? I think you are a gym enthusiastic, right? How it happened?
So earlier in the past 2 years, I started reading books like The Millionaire Fast Lane, and in this book, I got mesmerized by these three words: the successful. All the successful people have abundant wealth, abundant wealth, abundant health, abundant wealth, and they are having a good relationship. So I thought, like, I have literally nothing. I don't have any health. I don't have any wealth. I don't have any relationship with anyone.
This
Yeah.
when this is like when you are
So
20,
this was like
20
this was when I was yeah, 18.
18. 18, you
Yeah.
read all these books.
Yeah. I
Fantastic.
started reading books. Yeah. So what it does is it really hit me hard. Like, I didn't have anything and I want to be successful, like health. So I started building up my health. So what I chose is doing gym will increase my health basically. So it gradually transformed my body as well and mindset, because gym requires a different kind of mindset, because you cannot enter gym with a scarcity mindset. You cannot hit gym like uh, you are not going to be able to pull up that 5 kilo dumbbell, because at the start I'm very skinny guy, like you mentioned in the introduction. Like, I was a very skinny guy. I was like I cannot lift even 5 kg dumbbell, which is quite easy for a lot of big guys.
At what you
So
hit the
yeah,
At what age you
sorry.
hit the at what age you started
Yeah,
your
last year
last year,
in the
2000?
20
Okay,
2019. And
2019, you were around 2021.
I can tell you the
Okay.
I can tell you exact date. Like, I entered gym in 19th February 2019. I know the date.
Okay.
And I and it literally transformed my body color, because I really look I'm like glowing right now, because of the gym, because of my personal health. It really transformed my mindset as well as body and everything. So it was like I was doing 5 days a week gym, because you need to take rest in order to grow your body. You need to give your body to relax, to just expand that those muscles which you have hit harder, like when you do pull-ups, you pull-ups, or um, for the back exercise, you are going to hit the back part of the body. So you have to like maintain proper rest, and you have to intake proper diet. And I did it on my own. I didn't took any coaching as well, and also I didn't take any protein powder as well, which is
Okay.
a lot of guys confuse, like they are when they are starting gym, they are going to buy
Have to buy all the
yeah,
protein powder.
protein and everything. But in my case, I started with all of the organic stuff, like bananas, apple, and eating chicken, and everything organic, rice
Okay.
and
So you're
chapatis,
a
everything.
non-vegetarian.
Yeah, I'm non-vegetarian.
Okay.
So it's
Well,
all organic.
okay, organic food. Okay.
Yeah,
Many
it's
guys and girls out there they think of going to the gym, but the idea of buying all this stuff, above powder, right, itself stops them to hit into the gym. So I think guys, whoever looking to build their physique, you don't have to give any excuses. He has done it. I think you can do it. You just need to analyze what is good for you. Correct?
yep. I went from
Oh,
54 kg straight to 70 kg. So why not
okay.
you in just 6 months,
In just
by
6 months.
following proper routines and everything? Diet is very necessary, and rest is also necessary. You just need to hit like 60-minute gym. You don't need to do like 2 hours or 3 hours. That is going to ruin your body. That will not develop, but destroy your body. So don't over gym.
Okay.
Just do
Okay.
like a 45 to 60 minute. Yeah.
So, like for physique, you went to a gym. What are you doing for your mindset? How you're so disciplined at very young age? How what are you doing for here?
Like my mentor is Jason Capital. So he, in his course, he taught me about mindset. He, before starting out about how to make money, he taught us about mindset, how a kid's mindset works, and how to change that mindset, and how to fill exact right words and positivity. You need to fill your mindset with all the positivity. You need to feel that the positive is going to happen with my life, with my career, with my whatever you are doing. So basically, I follow him religiously, and he teaches us more about mindset, which is really important before you do it. And there is a book called The Art of War. In this book, the author teaches us you need to believe that you are going to defeat your opponent before it actually going to happen. Meaning you are going to defeat that opponent in the mindset before it actually going to happen in the real world.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
by
yeah,
reading all
he
these
talks
books, you
about
will get
mindset.
mindset. Okay. So that's about books will help you to take care of here, right? Books are
Yep,
the only
correct.
sole thing which is helping you to take care of your. For me, it's
Mindset.
meditation. When I go
Yeah.
crazy, I just need a 5 minutes meditation. I'll be all right. I'll be back into form. So I think we are almost winding up. My final question is, right, I want to ask this question to you. What is the difference between a startup and a business? um, this question I wanted to ask you.
Okay. So what startup is, you need to start and build your business from scratch, like when you have zero money. Okay, so startup is like building your own empire from scratch when you have nothing, like from ground level. You need a team. You need not the professional team, but you need to have the right people in your team. And also you are going to fail a lot of time because you are not you don't know where to go and how to approach these people, the investors. You need to have investors because you at the start you don't have that kind of money to run your business on your own. And also you are going to pay those people who are in your team, so you need money to do all of this stuff. So first off, you need to build a proper plan and work on these plans. And what you can do is you have to reach out to those people who are ready to invest in your business plan. So you
Okay.
need, first off you need a business plan, second off you need a team, right team. Then you need to have investors that is going to help you scale your business and grow your business. And yeah, it's like building your own Rome. Like it's like building your own Taj Mahal. You need the right people. You can't afford to take any kind of people. Yeah. And talking about
So
it's, and
this is
it's very
about
hard.
startup.
Yeah. And also it's very hard to run an startup in this current world situation, because there are lots of people who are going to push you down in the business. And business is like a war. Either you are going to get defeated or you are going to defeat the other who is in the same niche as you do.
So you need a
So
warrior attitude to stand
yep,
on a business, to run a business. Okay.
yep. and and yeah, you need to be consistent and persistent with your goals, your ambitions, and whatever you want to do with your business. And
Okay.
there are lots of stuff that I can share, but I think time is
Yeah.
limited. Let's talk
I
about
think you should.
business.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, let's talk about business. So right now there are high income skill three high income skill that you can learn right away to make a lot of money, which is copywriting, closing, that I am doing right now, and
Okay.
copywriting, closing, and speaking.
Speaking.
Let me give you an
Okay. Then
example.
I have a lot of
Speaking.
chances to make money.
Let let me give you an example. Copy. You might have heard of Agora Copywriting, which is the
Yeah.
millionaire $1 million company. And what he does is he hires copywriting like anyone of you who are expert at it. So he hires them in their team, and now you are going to write copy for their client. And from there, you are going to make a lot of money. Like writing one copy, you can make half a million or maybe so. It's like copy is the hottest thing right now.
Okay. So I
Copywriting.
need to learn within. I can learn copywriting within 6 months if I
It's up to
start
you.
today. Oh, it's up to
It's
me.
up to you.
So,
It's up to
our
anyone who
audience.
is starting.
Okay.
Yep.
So, guys, whoever is watching, you want to make money, not dependent only on your job, copywriting. Next, yeah, please go ahead.
You must learn one skill, that is copywriting, and you
Okay.
must completely devote to yourself, like you are the one who is going to write copy and all. And in copywriting there is phrase words equals cash. Words will
Okay.
give you money.
Money. Okay.
Yep.
So, copywriting is
And
a big topic. You have to
big
go
thing.
research and start your learning. You can ask for your mentor, right? That's how you should learn something.
Yep.
Okay. Next, talk about
and
closing.
and
How
and
you can
there
learn
is,
closing.
yeah, there is
Sorry.
a
Go
website called, yeah, for for someone who is looking for free stuff on how to write copy and all, you can check out swiped.co. Swiped,
Swipe.
swiped.co. There are lots of free copywriting who have done in the past, like the greatest copywriter who is Gary Halbert, who's made fortunes in the past. He has written a lot of copies that you can learn from his copy on after going through his copywriting that he has written on, and it's available in the swipe.co for free.
For
Earlier
free.
it was like, yeah, for free, because earlier it was like you have to pay for these reading these copies, because it has made millions. So earlier it was unavailable, but right now it's been available by swipe.co, uh, which is like um, home for copywriting.
Okay. So, guys, if the copywriting is your cup of coffee, go utilize this free stuff. I will put the link when I put this video in the YouTube and in Facebook as well. So don't worry. Closing. Let's talk about closing. We have already spoken about closing, how you close your clients, and then last is speaking. I'm super
Speaking.
excited. Tell me about speaking. How I can make money just by speaking.
Correct. So right here in this situation, speaking also relates to words equals cash. Now you need to speak words, the right words at the right time. Meaning, let me give an example. You can recall any speaker who is very successful. Let's say Gary Vee.
Gary,
He's a
yes.
speaker. He's a speaker.
Yeah. He
He
loved to use
is a
the
social
F
media.
word.
Yeah.
He loved to
So
use the word F word.
correct.
Yeah.
So it's like it's like it's his brand name.
Brand
It's like
name.
his, yeah. So what you can do is speaking. You learn to speak the right way. You can start by joining communication mastery courses, and you can learn the tonality, the body language, the charisma, and everything that is going to win-win for speaking. And it's not like it's not like someone who is speaking uh, in your classroom. The teacher who speaks is not a speaker; is just a teacher. He's teaching you. So there is difference between a speaker and someone who is like talking and talking. So Gary Vee
Speaking,
makes
speaker is
millions.
a different and lecture is a different.
Sorry,
Correct? Lecturing is different. Speaker by speaking is different. That's what you're saying.
can you repeat?
You said you compared the teacher and the speaker. Lecture is
Yeah,
just giving a lecture to you, that is not going to make any money. But when you learn the communication, the proper use of words, proper expressions, proper tonality, and your charisma, you can become a speaker to
yep,
make millions. Correct? Okay.
correct. Right now, Gary Vee is making millions by speaking for various events for just 60 minutes, 60, or it goes like 100 minutes
Okay.
for just one speaking event. And there is another guy like Peng Joon. He is also a speaker, and he is also making not millions, but he's making like $100 to $2,000 just
अच्छा
by
लग रहा है
speaking,
डॉलर.
just by sharing his experience, knowledge. Yeah,
Okay.
just by sharing his experiences and his knowledge to business people, others who are in the same niche that wanted to grow their business. They are learning from the right people.
Okay. So, okay, so I this is a final question which I want to ask you. So, at the age of 20, you started learning about Instagram. 21, you started your company. 22, you are almost making money, uh, dollars, that to four figures. So, tell me your future plan. Where I can see you by 2 years down the line.
Well, I
Where
will
we
be put. Yeah, well, I'm interested in helping more people's, helping college people drop out of them.
okay, fine. Oh, okay. I think he is in Bhopal, in a very small, tiny city or tiny town, I can say. So yeah, network fluctuates. This is Delhi, so this is India. Okay, almost you guys learned a lot of things from him, and I want to talk about his clients. His clients, even in a dental doctors, lawyers, his clients are global and international. So whenever he is going to take a webinar, please join him. You can contact him through his Facebook Messenger, learn from him, ask him a questions, and within 1 year you should make money in dollars. That's my wish, and that is all about this interview sessions, this live S Peopletainment ka kaam hi yahi hai, connecting people, connecting entrepreneurs, connecting hustlers, whoever is ready to hustle, whoever is ready to change their life. That's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, hi, hello.
Yep. Saji.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you hear me? Is
Yeah.
everything all
Right
right?
now. Yep. I can hear you.
Okay, so we were talking about your future plans. Then we will wind up this amazing interview.
Yeah. Sure. So right now I want more college dropouts to work with me. I want to coach them, help them literally. Yeah. I want to make a team of dropouts who will
Wow.
make more money than these 9 to 5 people. And I will show you that how I will literally change their life for my coaching and literally change them with their financial condition as well as mental states. And right now, there is one of my friend who is ready to drop out of college because he is believed in. Yeah, correct. Because
So
I
you're
told him
you're
I
creating a dropout army. Okay, so guys, I think I need to wind up this interview because his network is fluctuates. So basically, what he wants to say is he's going to create a dropout army. He gonna train you. If you're dropout, you can contact him with the same. He will help you to tone your mindset. He will help you to tone your skill set, and he is promising you to make you money within certain period of time, whatever time you spend with him to learn from him. Okay, I hope this interview helped you a lot. Just because, don't mind this internet connections, it's okay, it happens, it's absolutely normal. Don't judge. Before I came on interview with him, people judged him, but now my mind is blown. He is like amazing person. I'm sure he will be a billionaire in his 30s, in his 35 to 30s. He will be a billionaire. I'm sure about it. If you want to learn from him, I will put a link. You can contact him definitely. So thank you so much for being patient and supporting me, and keep supporting me. Next time I will. Are you there?
so yeah. There is
Okay.
a network problem. Okay.
Okay. I was
So
like already said bye bye and all, but it's okay. Yeah, we can talk. People listening or not, I don't know, but we can talk. Yes. So what
so
is your?
what's my
I
plan
was
is
telling people I will be seeing you as a billionaire in your 30s for sure. So what is your plan?
I'm sure. I'm sure I'm gonna be billionaire.
Okay. So people will approach you, especially my friend circle will contact you. Please help them. Not only dropouts, people who are so determined like you, please help them. My friend circle are not dropout; they are already graduated and have some experiences. Of
Yeah.
course,
Okay.
your initiative for helping dropouts, your mindset, your way of thinking. It's fantastic. Please keep growing. Keep yourself the same.
Thank you, Swati. I would love to help them literally, and at any place or at any point of time. Uh, just text me on Instagram or maybe Facebook. I'm Instagram. You can find out me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mr underscore ik07. So
Okay.
yeah,
I
you can
will.
reach out there and
Okay. So guys,
mhm.
I will tag his Instagram handle in Facebook as well. I will tag him
Yeah,
in Facebook as well. You can reach out to him. Yeah. So how is anything else you want to say?
like just keep going. Don't stop. Whatever you are doing, just 10x your uh, 10x your execution level, 10x your action. It can be anything, like whether you want to be a good employee or not. Everybody is like to be an entrepreneur, but you can also be a good employee by learning communication skill, which is really important. I tell you, this one single skill will make you millions. Like my mentor, he is making millions over through his Instagram, Jason Capital, selling his
Jason Cap.
$1,000 course. Yep, selling his $1,000 course to 1,000 people, and that accounts for $1 million.
Okay.
What what you can do is you can help either millions of people selling $1 product, or you can sell $1,000 product to 1,000 people to make millions.
Wow. Okay. So I think we can talk the whole night, but still you will woo us you with your knowledge, with your skill. I'm sure about it. I think it's time to wind up now. So thank you so much, Indra Kumar. It's been pleasure talking to you, and I hope, I believe, I'm looking forward and great acquaintance with you. Let's help entrepreneurs. Let's help dropouts as well. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
So
feeling
signing off.
blessed to have here on this interview with you. Yeah,
Pleasure is all mine, and please keep supporting me, and let's help each other. And help others as well. Okay. So I have
yeah,
no words.
sure.
Even I'm stumbling on words because looking at your energy is my judgment is right. I saw your Facebook profile. I thought this is the guy will come into my next interview because your Facebook is full of energy, full of something you're doing. Something is about you, and which is proven. My intuition is always right, which always helped me. So, guys, we are going. Bye. We are leaving this
Yeah, bye
live.
guys. I hope
Bye, guys.
you
Do
yeah.
something. Learn from him. Approach him. Don't be shy. If you shy, you'll be poor. Don't be shy. I'm not at all shy at all. You know, right? Indra Kumar.
Yep.
I don't know him before 4 days, 3 4 days before, but today he is like a brother, like an acquaintance, like a mentor. Okay, thank you guys. We are winding up, and see you in the next session with the other good entrepreneurs, other
Yep.
another hustlers. Thank you so much,
Bye
Indra
guys.
Kumar.
Bye.
Bye, and you
Thanks
take
for joining
care.
us. Yeah.
Yeah,
You too.
thanks for joining us. Thanks for all the good comments. Look forward
Yeah.
for my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Yes, people attainment. You will not regret it. Bye.
Yeah.